Hi, have you ever imported a file into Power BI and your amount or currency column show errors or gets converted in a weird way like this or this? In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. Let's import the file first. This is a sample data set and you can download it from the description below. In the amount column, we have mixed values like normal decimal numbers, numbers with a dollar sign, and some values with text like USD. So instead of loading, I'll click Transform Data. In Power Query, I'm going to duplicate the amount column just to compare results. Right-click Amount, Duplicate Column. Now let's see what Power BI can fix automatically. Click the ABC icon, choose decimal number. Okay, notice what happens. The normal numbers convert fine. The values with dollar also convert fine, but the ones with USD turn into error. So Power BI can't convert those because of the text. Let's undo that step first. On the right side, under Applied Steps, delete Changed tab. Now we'll remove the USD text. Select the Amount column, go to Home, Replace Values. Value to Fund, USD. Replace with. I'll just leave it blank. Click OK. Now all the USD text is gone. Now click the ABC icon again. Choose decimal number. Now the whole column converts correctly with no errors. Now let's look at the second column, amount 01. I'm going to change this one to decimal number 2. Click the ABC icon, decimal number, and lots of errors and some values look wrong. Why? Because this column uses a different number format. If we compare the two columns, in amount, the format looks like comma is thousand separator, dot is decimal point. In amount 01, it looks like dot is thousand separator and comma is decimal. Power BI is reading it using my default locale, so it gets confused. Now click the ABC icon, but this time choose using locale. Data type, decimal number. Locale. Choose a locale that uses comma as decimal and dot as thousand separator. For example, Germany. Look at the sample format shown below. It matches our column. Dot for thousands, comma for decimals. Click OK. Perfect. Now the column converts correctly. At the end, you can remove any unnecessary columns. One quick note, using locale can fix how Power BI reads the numbers, but to change how the number looks in the report, you have to do that in table view. So go to Home, Close and Apply. Go to Table View. Select the Amount column, Column Tools. Here you can turn on the thousand separator. Choose how many decimal places you want. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.